You want to know why beauty influencers' hair is always so big? It's full of secrets. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This here's Benny. I am so happy I freaking bought him. I love driving around with him in the front seat of my car. If you hear some lawn mowings going around, it's because the lawn ninjas are out doing their thing, cutting the community grass. And I need to film, so it's just like they're not being quiet. They go away and then they come back. But in today's video, we're doing this purple look. I did not know when I was doing it, but you know because you read the title. But it's supposed to be a quick video, so I'll get right into it. In all seriousness, I did the color purple because in the month of October, even though it's my favorite month, it is the month of domestic violence awareness. If you or somebody you know is in an abusive relationship or is getting abused, please know that there is help. You are not alone. You do not have to be alone. You don't need to be in a situation where you're hated. You're loved by so many other people out there. You do not need to stay in that situation. Know that you can find a safe way out and you can stay safe. Just call the hotline or somebody you know to help. I hope you enjoy this video. It is obviously this purple look and I'm going to keep it as short as possible. I love you guys and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so I have no idea what I'm going to be doing. My whole idea, you guys already know what I'm going to be doing because I'm going to name the video, but I have absolutely no idea where this video is going to go. Yeah. So I know I'm doing purple. And I know I'm going to use brushes I don't normally use to see if I can still be good at makeup. And you guys are coming along for the ride. I forgot to wet my beauty blender. I'm actually going to try to keep this video relatively short because my videos are really long and no one seems to watch them all the way. So I'm going to try to cut this down to just eyes and lips today. And everything else is just like, okay, so we're doing purple. And we're gonna go in, try to use Juvia's Place palette because I'm probably Jaclyn Hill-aholic you out, and it's fine. I like her palettes, but you know, gotta widen your variety. So I normally use, you guys already know, I normally use my little blending brushes. This one in particular, the 40. But I'm gonna try not to use it today. I'm gonna go in with a pencil brush and this, like, two different pencil brushes, a pointier one if you want to be technical and a more fluffier pencil, and then if I need it, my E45. But we're trying to keep it different today so I don't, you know, overdo it, you know. Okay, I'm gonna put on my base. Wish I had some box lights, look better. If you want to donate to the cause, most of you who watch this know how to reach me because I'm still in the like only friends watch me zone, but that's okay. Okay, we're gonna go in straight into it, this purple one. I'm gonna go straight, doing a completely different technique than I usually do. That's the whole thing. I think that's gonna be like doing makeup how I don't normally do it, maybe. I don't know, but we'll see. And we're going to use a pencil brush and just go straight into the bold color first. So let's hope it works out. Well, Juvia's Place doesn't disappoint, obviously. It's looking very pigmented. And I did not do, obviously, like I said, I didn't do my foundation or anything else first because I'm tired of fallout getting on my foundation. Gatorade give anybody else heartburn really bad? Just me. Okay. I guess we're gonna try to blend with this pencil brush. I'm gonna wipe off the excess on it and try to blend it out a little bit. Not have such harsh lines. I guess we'll see where this takes us. Maybe if I bring it out enough and I wipe away the excess, it'll give me a little bit of access to a makeup wipe wing, because you know that's the only time I ever get wings is at the makeup wipe club where I wipe it up and be able to draw the wing.
And I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do, I don't know what colors to use.
I guess we're gonna go in with, we're still keeping it mainly purple, but you know, we gotta bring in another color. So I'm gonna use this pink one, you know, just being random. You know, and speaking of random, skeleton, you know, Benny, his name's Benny, wasn't a random. I wanted him for the longest time. I wanted a skeleton, and so obviously I got him, and I just let him chill in my front seat for like 2 or 3 days. Like everywhere I went, you know, he was there. People thought it was hilarious. I got a lot of head turns. So I have to go, he's still in my front seat, and I have to go into Walmart to pick up a couple things that I clearly forgot on my list. And I go into Walmart, and I know for a fact that my windows are shut because I remember, because I had to turn around, go back out to my car to get my reusable bag because I hate plastic bags. I grab my reusable bag, and I know my windows are shut, obviously because I'm walking up to my car. And I go back in and do my normal shopping and whatnot, and I come out and I go into my open my passenger side door because I have all my chitlins with me to turn on my car. And as I go to turn on my car, I notice my driver's side window is rolled down. All my windows are rolled down, including my sunroof. My heart starts beating so freaking fast. I was like, oh my god. I called my husband. I was like, what's happening? Are you doing this to me? Am I on prank? Like, what is up? And I never use my sunroof, like, ever. My sunroof is open. I'm like freaking out. Like, how does that happen? If anybody knows how that happens, let me know. I was terrified to turn my car on. I was like, is it gonna explode? Is there something underneath my car? Is this a setup? Because I have all my children with me. I'm just like freaking out. I called like 30 million people to tell them my story, and everyone says it's weird and it's never happened to them, but did I Google it? No, I'll probably Google it after this. I guess we'll see. But yeah, that's my story for this video. People say they like my stories. Not looking too bad. I guess to darken up the side corners, I'm gonna go in with Makita. This one. Don't you guys love it? And I mentioned it in my other video, but my twins got to it and decided to jab my makeup brushes into it and breaking all of them and making them look like huge divots. Yeah. Twins! Now they're terrified to touch my makeup because they got in trouble. Even though I did come in here the other day and my highlighter brush was full of glitter because my child opened my Kylie loose highlighter and just dunked it in there. Just like, I'm assuming spread it all over her face because there's glitter everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna keep this in the corner and kind of like smoke it out. Maybe we'll call this the one makeup brush challenge, you know? So I'm gonna go into Makita, oops, and just do this in like a V. Ooh, that looks patchy. That's lovely. This is going great. This is just going great. I don't know how else to say it. Yeah, look at that fallout. It's hot. I'm gonna brush off the excess and try to blend this in because this is going so well. Should really invest in those like makeup shield tape things. Those look like a good investment. This looks so patchy. I don't know if you guys can see. I feel like it just like looks super patchy because I only have one brush. I mean, I have that other pencil one, but that's not gonna help me any with blending. This is my only hope. I guess I brought that pink up. That looks nice. I guess we'll go in and try to blend it with some pink. Lightly pink. Even though it's mainly purple, but you know, you can't have just purple sometimes. You need to like branch out. Use different colors. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to like stamp on as much pigment as I can. You guys see this? Does it look as patchy? I don't even know if I zoomed out all the way or if I'm close enough. I guess we'll see. I don't know why I'm paying so much attention to that little corner, I'm gonna wipe it off anyways. Have I mentioned that this is going great? Maybe I should get Fix Plus. See, I hope this video shows you guys that the ones who think my makeup's always so good, that I have my faults. I'm not. I'm learning, just like you guys are. It looks better with some Fix Plus. Oh yeah, it's sticking better with Fix Plus. The glue of the makeup world saves the day. I guess that don't look too bad for a one brush makeup challenge. Going back in with Fix Plus because I'm going to go in with this pretty little number, nice and glittery, pinky. Keep it in the corner, lighten it up, you know, maybe draw people's attention there so they don't look too much at the rest of my eyeshadow. I hope this turns out somewhat decent so I don't have to like wipe it off. I can just rock this the rest of the day. Well, this color's going on nice since I'm remembered to put Fix Plus on. It's going great. Oh, the shimmer shades look so much better. I guess we'll see what it looks like on camera, because I can only see in my small little camera I have going on, so I can see myself. Make sure you know things are auto-zoomed. Wiping off the excess, I'm gonna go back in the pink and purple, you know, mixing it and try to blend it. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. Make it look like it was supposed to be there. And I'm gonna go in with the purple and the sparkly purple. Blend those to blend these. I mean, you can't be mad at Juvia's place. The lady makes pigment, that's for frickin' sure. So I did some winged liner, even though I'm not the best at it, because I had an outline, so I got to follow it. And I threw on some lashes. I couldn't tell you what they were because I bought the Cakeface Beauty Pro box and I just wear them and put them in there and I didn't keep the box. So it's one of those that came with it. Now we're gonna kind of like repeat the process on the eyes but on the lower lash line with my one little baby brush. And we're gonna attempt to see and hope that goes well too. I'm gonna use the purple and probably the pink to blow it out a little bit. Maybe of the pink shimmer in the center. I don't know, let's see what I do and see what I like. I obviously can't wipe it off, so I hope I like it the first time. Now to keep the look more open, the eyes more open, since this is a bunch of color, I'm going to use white, the NYX Jumbo Pencil White Crayon in my waterline to make my eyes look a little bit bigger and not so small because of all this color. Throw on some lower mascara. Okay, next we're gonna go in with lipstick. I'm going to be using Dose of Colors Bury Me along with Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Doll Parts. I'm gonna kind of like do an ombre for you guys and show you how I do it. It's not probably gonna be perfect because obviously I'm not perfect, but I thought you guys would enjoy it, and to keep with the purplish pink theme, I thought it would go well. So first color I'm gonna go in with is the Dose of Colors Bury Me, and I'm going to basically use the tip of it to outline my lips, but keep the center more bare because that's where we're gonna put the Jeffree Star Doll Parts in. So next we're gonna go in with the lighter shade, also a little fluffier brush to blend the two together because you can't just like slide it on and mess up the wand and whatnot. And that's it. I always say that. Well, I'll stick to my usual outro and say thank you guys for watching. This is it. This is the finished look. I will list what I use in the description box if you really care to know about what I use on my face. It's the same old, nothing new. Thank you guys for watching. Or using one makeup brush. I tell you, one. So I guess it is possible to only live with one makeup brush. But you can't make me. I'll never do it. Hope to see you in my next video. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see something else. No one ever really comments, but you know I say it anyways. Hit the bell if you want to be notified. Remember, I live to serve you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!